Welcome to the case study series in Business and Government Relations by Skilled MBA. Taiwan's economic transformation stands as a powerful example of strategic state planning and effective industrial policy. Through bold investments in education, research, and technology, Taiwan transitioned from a developmental state into a global technology powerhouse. This evolution underscores the crucial role of government in fostering innovation, nurturing industrial ecosystems, and adapting to the shifting tides of global economic competition. Taiwan's economic evolution showcases a shift from a developmental state to a technology-driven global leader. Over 70 years, strategic state planning, robust industrial policies, and significant investments in education fueled a powerful export economy. This transformation highlights the critical role of government intervention in fostering innovation and global competitiveness. Taiwan's developmental state model featured strong central planning, directing resources to priority sectors. Government officials coordinated with business leaders on strategic industries, using targeted subsidies to enhance international competitiveness. Export support mechanisms and financial incentives fueled manufacturing excellence and innovation, while structured public-private collaboration ensured policy alignment with industrial goals. Taiwan's economic success is rooted in its export-led development, particularly in semiconductors. This sector has driven technological specialization and improved living standards. The government's strategic planning and collaboration with industry leaders have been pivotal in achieving global leadership, setting the stage for Taiwan's current economic challenges. Taiwan faces post-globalization challenges. Supply chain restructuring and protectionist policies threaten its export model. An aging population and low birth rates strain economic growth potential. Geopolitical tensions, particularly the United States-China rivalry, place Taiwan at the center of technology competition, complicating its strategic decisions. Taiwan's strategic dilemma involves choosing between state-led coordination and a market-driven approach. State-led coordination emphasizes strategic industrial planning, state investment, and export subsidies. Alternatively, a market-driven approach advocates for market liberalization, reduced government intervention, and fostering an innovation ecosystem. Taiwan must decide whether to adapt its developmental state model or embrace market liberalization while maintaining its technological edge. Taiwan's semiconductor industry, led by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, controls 92% of global advanced chip production, underscoring its technological dominance. Semiconductors account for 65% of Taiwan's export value, posing economic concentration risks. In the $550 billion global chip market, Taiwan's strategic role is pivotal, enhancing its geopolitical significance amid evolving global supply chain dynamics. The United States-China trade war in 2018 disrupted Taiwan's business ties and supply chains. The 2020 pandemic exposed global semiconductor vulnerabilities, underscoring Taiwan's strategic role. By 2022, the CHIPS Act and European Union policies sought to reduce reliance on Taiwan. In 2023, global export restrictions tightened, challenging Taiwan's market access and necessitating strategic shifts. Strengthening intellectual property defenses is crucial for safeguarding technology. Legal mechanisms for trade secret protection are essential. Increasing research and development investment in advanced semiconductors ensures leadership in next-generation technologies. Expanding specialized education programs and attracting global experts bolster talent development. Diversifying into new markets and forming strategic partnerships across regions enhances resilience and growth. Taiwan exemplifies how small states evolve economic policies amidst global shifts, showcasing resilience through institutional flexibility. It navigates the trade-offs between strategic specialization and diversification to maintain competitiveness. Balancing state guidance with market forces, Taiwan optimizes intervention in strategic sectors, leveraging technological capabilities to enhance geopolitical standing and economic security. Taiwan's future hinges on advanced manufacturing leadership, focusing on next-generation semiconductors like two-way chips. Strategic alliances with democratic nations will enhance technological partnerships and create resilient supply networks. Emphasizing green transformation, Taiwan can leverage its technology expertise to develop sustainable manufacturing processes, ensuring a competitive edge in climate solutions. To ensure strategic security, Taiwan must protect critical technologies. An innovation ecosystem is vital, fostering startups and research clusters. Diversifying trade relationships will strengthen export markets and supply chains. Industrial modernization through advanced technology upgrades is essential. A balanced approach, combining state guidance with market liberalization, offers Taiwan a resilient path forward. Taiwan's economic evolution showcases its adaptability. In the 1960s, it focused on labor-intensive manufacturing, shifted to electronics in the 1980s, and embraced high-tech leadership by the 2000s. To remain competitive, Taiwan must now address technological sovereignty, digital transformation, and sustainable development, ensuring its developmental state evolves to meet these new challenges. Taiwan's journey highlights its adaptability and strategic foresight. The developmental state fueled its economic miracle, yet global fragmentation and technological competition demand new governance models. Taiwan has the opportunity to lead with a hybrid model, balancing state coordination and market innovation, crucial for thriving in a post-globalization world. Thank you for joining us at Skilled MBA, where we transform global complexity into actionable insights. Stay connected for our next series on innovation ecosystems in emerging markets. For more insights, contact us at support@skilledmba.com or visit skilledmba.com.